student, today we are going to see Standard 12th Moral Science. The lesson name is Every Drop Counts. Come, let us move to the video session.
Lesson number 8. Every drop counts. Words of wisdom. A single flower can move a heart. A single thorn can rip it apart. For example, if you're going for a garden, there was a flower, thorn, and everything was there. If you touch a flower, it can like a heart, which will be so smooth. If you touch a thorn, how it will be? It will make you hurt. So always keep touching like a flower. Don't hurt anybody. There was a big traffic jam on a street in Mumbai. The loud honking of horns by impatient motorists could be heard all sides of the road. For example, imagine that you are in the Mumbai. There was a big traffic jam. The loud honking was there by a horns on all the sides of the road. There will be many motors will be there, isn't it? If you are standing in the traffic judgments, everywhere you will be hearing the horn sound. The same like everything was being heard. The red light could not turn green. If you seen the traffic signal, there will be three lights will be there. Red is for stop, yellow is for wait, and green is for to go. The red light did not turn into green. So the traffic policeman was unable to control the commotion. There was a many thing was all the vehicles were standing. The traffic man could not able to control it. People were shouting each other. Now what they are doing? They were shouting each other. Everybody was getting late because if the turn it's not turning green, so every people were getting very late for the office. You know what happened there? Then just a minute, one young man climbed up a ladder to check the signal. He was ladder to check the signal. There was a small wire was missed in a light. Because of that, a small thing, what happened? Everybody who's standing in the signal, everybody was getting late for the office. Because of the small thing, the big issue will be happen. So always we have to be clear with what all we are doing. It was a small thing, but it affects all the people. Let us see one more incident. In Visakhapatnam, there was such a excitement in the shipbuilding yard. We all know Visakhapatnam. It was a shipbuilding yard. The new ship was being launched. Now they are going to launch a new ship. For that, thousands of people were gathered there. All the people were come to the gathering. The Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and many other distinguished guests were also present there. Mrs. Indira Gandhi, along with them, a crew of people were also present. The great moment arrived. Now, what they are going to do? They are going to launch the ship. The special crew of the men behind to remove the blocking of Mrs. Indira Gandhi held a coconut in readiness. Now they are going to ready to open the launch. After some effort, the ship did not move at all. Now what happened? The ship is not moving at all. She has cut the ribbon, she has did all the coconut things, everything. But what happened? The ship is not moving at all. It was a great embarrassing moment for everybody. Now what happened? It was a very, very embarrassing moment for everybody. People were running here and there. They could not do anything. Suddenly, somebody stopped a small wedge that has been jammed between the plates. For example, if you have seen a ship, there will be a blade will be there under the ships. It was a small problem in the blade, but what happened? It was become a big issue. All the prime minister came, all the guests came, but it becomes a big issue because it is a small blade. It can do many things. So always we should be clear with all the things. For example, even a single thing. For example, what will happen? A small blade or otherwise a small pin, it will hurt a big thing. So, it will be very, very dangerous in all situation. We have to be clear with all the thing. The world is made up of little things. The biggest mountain is only a great big mass of little rocks joined together. For example, if you see in a mountain, it will be very, very great and it looks very mass. But you know the small things which will happen there? A small rocks only joined together to become a great mountain. The great emperor Napoleon had conquered Europe. He was a great emperor, his planning was accurate. But perhaps what happened? He also won the Battle of Waterloo. While it was raining, what happened? Is all the plan becomes a little thing. Because of what? A rain had stopped everything, had changed the course of history itself. Only a little thing has changed the history. Columbus, on his first voyage, was becoming discouraged with no sight of land. We all know Columbus, who had found America. He was the only person who was becoming discouraged in the first sight because there was no land at all. He was about to turn his ship to the Europe. Now what is doing? He was turning the ship to return to Europe. When a young man saw a seaweed floating near the ship, he knew that the land was near. Now what is going to do? He was going to return the ship to the Europe, but a young man, by seeing a young man, she has said that it was very, very near. So he has found the America. Who found it? Columbus found the America. We build our lives of little things. Each habit is made up of countless and unnoticed action. For example, we all know we build our lives with a small happiness. The same like when we are having a habit of reading a newspaper or listening music, it may be whatever. Playing, reading, watching TV. A small things gives you immense pleasure. It's the same like a little laziness, a little jealous or little hurt can give you a bad name which cannot be controlled. For example, if you're doing all the good thing for others, if you have did a single hurt for somebody means what happened? It gives a big bad name for you. So always keep smiling, but a small smile. For example, a little word of kindness or little patience or understanding can brings you thousands of or otherwise tons of joys to other. Always keep smiling, do good things for others, be kind with everybody. In the same way, each individual may seem quite insignificant, but when in a group, they become a force to reckon with. It was the evening in Mumbai in Bourbon Stadium. There was a 5,000 people were gathered to watch a match. It was a match between Dara Singh of India and Tank Morgan of USA. Both were very giant and searchlights were bathing. It was a searchlight were bathing every corner of the stadium. Suddenly, the light went out. There was a total darkness in the stadium. People started whistling, and all the children were began to cry. All the children were crying. Tank Morgan came to the microphone and said, "Ladies and gentlemen, I'm streaking a match. Can you see the flame?" There was a mighty roar as the people replied, "Yes." Then Why could not each of us also strike a light? Tank Morgan said. Now what is doing? He is doing that I can light the candle the same like you also can do a with the help of a matchstick, or otherwise you can streak a light. Now what they are doing? 5,000 pinpoints of light has been surprised the stadium. Everyone gasped with surprised. They understood the importance of contribution of each people to the whole. Even a single people can bring a many difference. Now there are 5,000 people. Everybody on their torchlight means what will happen? Everybody can do the miracle. So the Tank Morgan has done the great thing which all the peoples also did. We have a proverb, little drop of water can make a big ocean. Each grain of sand contribute in making a vast desert. The same like a kind word or action contribute significantly in making a better human being. So, we should always remember that we should be a good human being. In this story, we have studied a moral action that seem insignificant have lot of significance. I hope you all understood about the story. Every drop counts. Thank you, students.